Hello and welcome to Ireland. It's the second last Dragon Award that I'm going to be doing, and today's challenge, or this month's challenge, is to camp in Ireland. So here we are in beautiful Ireland.
Stop filming every single moment.
Guests seated at exit rows and in the first row of the cabin.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Well, we've arrived.
We have.
There's even palm trees around as well.
Where's the seasoning?
Well, first of all, I need to open these. Everything just goes a bit slow when you're at camp. Sort of got to think 3 steps ahead the entire time. Oil, steak, seasoning while that's on. So for tonight we've got rib steak, and we've got asparagus, and we've got some potatoes as well.
And courgette.
And courgette. Please, I've got a bigger gas cylinder. Starting with dot brew. You're not looking very happy.
Taking it in.
It's just fantastic here.
I'm ready for schluck.
Oh my goodness. It's literally the biggest steak that we could have put in. Look at that. It's quite massive. And I'm worried that it's ever so slightly still frozen. We brought it over from London. I think last time I did 3 minutes per side. It's been on for a minute. What's there not to love about this? Chair comfortable?
Very.
It is oddly really comfy, that chair, isn't it?
I don't
Yeah, I know.
understand
You look
how
at it and it doesn't look that comfortable at all. Slightly well done.
Oh, that looks so nice.
It does look quite nice, doesn't it? You're warm enough?
Sort of. Yes and no. It's really weird. Like my hands are cold, which is never normally the case.
Well, at the moment, the clouds are moving that way. Moving that way. So we could have a whole load of just blue sky ahead.
That would be really nice.
That's why it's going to be so cold tonight. Yes, that's exactly what's going to happen, isn't it?
Once the sun goes down, I'm planning on going to sleep.
Yes, we will want to. It will be quite chilly at that point. Right, so that's been 4 minutes per side, which is usually... It's so good she's actually photographing the food. I told you, camp food always tastes absolutely amazing. This even looks fantastic as well.
steak and potato, yeah.
Even the asparagus is fantastic.
Bloody your hammer.
I'm going to edit that bit out. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Ready for us to try?
Always.
Oh, it's a really fine line, isn't there, between underdone and overdone. We've had a plentiful dinner, a couple of steaks, lots of potatoes and asparagus. Now we're going to go for a walk. Oh, look at this. I'm going the explorer version.
This is the accident version.
Yeah. I'm going to end up with sand in my hiking boots forever now. Oh, I'm sure someone can do foraging from all this. Right, left or right?
Go left.
Go left. Just went for a lovely walk along the shore. Come back. Mayrav's going to have a tea. I'm going to finish the last of the beers off, and we are trying to wait until the sun over there sets, because I have warned Mayrav that if we go to sleep too early, we're going to end up waking up super early in the morning as well. Morning. Not the best night's sleep I've had in the tent. I'm not entirely sure why. Especially the sleeping pad was excellent. It's a new Decathlon jobby after my first one from Amazon broke, and the issues is that when we go camping. This isn't too shabby. For tonight, mate. This must be about half a litre of black coffee first thing in the morning. So the punch me weight. Oh. That's the sun just creeping up. I'm going to make some fried egg sandwiches for breakfast.
Cymru. She said there's some really nice girls, but she's really got good fish. So what fish you getting for?
Look at that.
Thank
There you go.
Robbie.
You're welcome. Fill the gap?
There wasn't a gap to fill, but yeah.
No, after last night. Yolk's still running. Sound of the waves is amazing though, isn't it? Just leaving the campsite now, even cleaner than we found it, because I put some litter in the bin that was already here. Looks fine. This was the cooking area. That was fine. Oh, great little adventure that was. I just realised that was my 35th Dragon Award camp.
Very nice.
One more to go.
Celebrate it with you.
There you go. So it's bank holiday Monday at the moment. We're going to head back to Dublin airport and maybe see a bit of Dublin on the way back. Ah, what a lovely campsite that was. Look how pretty it is. That's a nice view. We ended up leaving the campsite early today and we had about an hour spare, so we've just been for a walk around Dublin city centre, or actually we walked around the financial district. Now we're going to head back in the car, drop off the hire car and fly back to London. Thanks very much for watching. Please can you like this video if you liked it, and subscribe to the channel so you can get future updates, including what will be coming up soon is the last of my Gold Dragon Award challenges, so stay tuned. That's going to be released end of June. Thanks for watching. 2023. What do you think of the car, Mayrav?
Okay.
She wasn't sold on the car. Right. I thought it was okay. A bit basic. Right, just dropping off the car.